press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So in this video, I would be showing you how you can highlight your face very easily. Hey my fam, how are you? And a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So for this, I'm using this Sivanna Colors Ultra Pro HD Highlight Palette. This is a beautiful highlight palette, guys. It has bronzers, it has highlighter shades. So it is a very nice, comfy palette and also very good for traveling because you can create eye looks and you can bronze up your face, you can highlight your face with this single baby over here. So yes, now let's see what else you would need. So basically I'm having 3 brushes over here. The first one is this big fat fan brush. This is an apt fan brush you would get in the market for applying your highlighter. So it gives you a really nice glow on your face and it gives you a glamorous feel and all. Apart from that, you can use this small fan brush. This is really nice for highlighting your forehead, highlighting your chin and your nose area. So this is also an option, but what I like to use is this small blending brush. This is my eyeshadow blending brush, but it works great as a highlighter brush because it gives me a very precise application wherever I want to apply my highlighter. So yes, for this video we would be using this one, and also I would be showing you how you can get beautiful highlighter face with this big fat fan brush. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So for this video I would be using this champagne color right here. I just love this color. This is my current obsession because I had ordered Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter and it is not with me because some issue happened and I have no idea what's happening. I have mailed Nykaa and they are saying that it would be coming, they would resolve my issues and all, but I have just no clue what is happening. So leaving that aside, we would be focusing on this one because this is my current obsession. So with a big fat fan brush, I would be showing you how you can highlight your cheekbones. So basically, what is a highlighter? So highlighter basically accentuates your highest planes of your face and gives it a nice glow. So it looks really 3D and really nice. So now without blabbering much, let's get ahead with the application. So with my brush, I would just grab a very little amount on my brush and apply it on my highest points, my cheekbones. So you can see it is giving me a really nice glow. It is not a blinding highlighter though, I should inform you, but it gives you a really nice sheen. So you can build it up and you can see the shine over here, and this side it's all plain Jane. So you see a beautiful shine, a nice glow on my cheekbones. Now the same I will go with my left cheek. So you see a nice glow on my cheekbone. Now I will use my current favorite, this eyeshadow blending brush. It sounds weird, but there are no rules in makeup, no set rules in makeup. Whatever suits you, go for it. So this eyeshadow blending brush suits me perfectly for my highlighter application, so I use this. So with my eyeshadow blending brush, So my highlighting is complete, and now with the help of a beauty sponge, I would just grab all the excess highlighter on my face so my face looks seamless. So you see, the highlighter is really easy on the application. Just you need to know the right tricks of applying and how you can achieve that seamless looking highlighter on your face. So yes, this was my video on how you can apply a highlighter perfectly, seamlessly. And I hope you loved this video. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. And also hit that bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload my video. So yes, this was all for this video. And I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye. See ya.